Okay? It's a cool idea because you're making the color change right in the fan, like so. Okay, you take a double lift, push the double in, okay, about a quarter from the bottom of the pack. You're going to turn it like this so that it hits the pinky, like so, as it acts as a fulcrum point. You're going to push this out like this, so you have the double with one card out jogged, okay? And that's this one here, so you don't want to show the back, okay? This is here, it's going to be hidden because when you make a fan like this, you make a little fan, and it's just a little fan because under the fan you still have your pinky there acting as a stop right there, okay? So that it won't go anywhere, that card. That 10 of diamonds, right? That's under the fan, you can't see it. When you come over to flick like this, first finger is still going to do the impulse change and push that one in. And then your first finger is going to push this out a little, so it'll look just like that. And I'll show you one more time what's that's going to look like. Okay? It's a cool idea because you're making the color change right in the fan, like so.